Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We are here on this lowering basement floor project. We have our low wall poured. Looks good. And when we had taken the framing and drywall off of this wall here, we realized it was really busted up and the structural integrity of this wall was pretty compromised. So after we poured our stem wall, we went ahead and poured a sister wall against this guy here. Looks good. We continue our stem wall all the way around. We have our support post pads. These guys are 2 foot by 2 foot by a foot thick, and they're going to get fabricated structural adjustable steel support posts brought up from the bottom up to the main beam. So we're going to get a little bit farther along. This project has quite a few videos to it. You can check it out on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.